Well, what I'm doing here is I'm gonna figure out my floor plan here. The camera's kind of wobbly. I don't have a very good tripod. So, I cut these 4x2 beams that I got from a pallet rack at a place I used to work at. I hauled them out to the ranch and they never got used. That was over 20 years ago. So we're gonna use them in this rat rod today. Well, it's a little chilly tonight. It's Friday, March 29th, I guess. Friday, Good Friday. Friday before Easter? I don't know. So, well, we'll get into this and hopefully you guys stay tuned in and follow along. There's that side. Upside down. I wonder if it won't fit. And it's still wrong. There we go. Drop my phone. I need a better stand. music while you're doing this. Can't have music on YouTube. I didn't get paid for my music. Crybabies. There's some old sheet metal here. This box beam's pretty thick, so he ain't burning through too bad. Got a little rat's nest in there. This thing was laying out in the pasture. Well, I got my frame from the floor all welded up. Fat belly sticking out. Just gonna pick it up and put it on the chassis over here, see how it looks. I'm glad you guys can't see my welds. Back is killing me today. I think I gotta have it on the pallet, but we'll try to get her without it. I forgot to prep a couple things here before I got started. But here's a little bit better look at my frame inside the floor. I'm not going to show you my welds up close because they're not good. But anyway, I had that in there for a guide the other day and I got to take that string off. So I'll be back in a second. Well, she's on the chassis again. So I gotta build a mount here somehow. Got some welding to finish up. Should have enough clearance between my frame and the transmission there. I don't think I'll have to tunnel it. I think it's gonna be all right. And the floor pan will have a tunnel just for the transmission right there. I'll call her at night. Probably film a little bit more tomorrow, but I got my, don't look at my welds. My welds are bad. But it's not due to the machine, it's due to me. I'm just not very patient. It'll hold. It's rancher welding. But I got my cab mounts done. Pretty good way. Found some thick rubber. Got it double mounted, top and bottom. Shouldn't be no vibration. Big old bolt. But it's been a pretty long day. It's about 6:45 now. Been down here since 7 o'clock this morning. Enjoy doing it. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, but I should be recording again tomorrow, so see you then. Well, what I'm doing here is getting the floor pan in. Gotta clamp it down here, and I think I'm gonna drill some holes in this metal and plug weld it. So it's the next day. Got some pretty good sleep last night. It's Easter Sunday. Gonna work on this a little bit before the family shows up for Easter. Just got one of my daughters and my son's gonna be here. My other daughter's going to her boyfriend's family. I'm just test fitting it for now to see if it fits in here. Should be bulletproof. That's some thick metal. Might have to do some trimming and notching and so. Yep, I do a lot of trimming. Just doing some plug welding here, got all my holes drilled. So, here we go. Trying to figure out a way to pry down on this so I can get these holes down on the brace so I can weld. Shouldn't have put the clamp right over the hole. Yeah, that worked pretty good. This metal ain't the straightest. I should be able to just get this bugger under there. I think that worked pretty good. Well, I'm done out of wire from my wire feed welder. Just had a couple more plug welds to do up front. I think it'll work pretty good. Just drilled holes and welded them down to the frame. So that'll be it for tonight. Yeah, that'll be it for tonight out of wire feed wire, and it's Easter. I hope everybody had a good Easter. Probably put this out a couple days. I was putting out videos on Saturday and Sunday, but people weren't watching them. I don't know, algorithm or something, but sure hope you guys can like and comment on there if you guys see anything. I know I'm doing a lot wrong, but if you guys want to help me figure some stuff out, boy, I'd appreciate it. So happy Easter, and hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.